my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just had to tell everyone on the interweb that that's what she said. She was like, interweb. Okay, I just had to tell everyone on the interweb what I just got from Sephora. It's like, it's my early birthday present. Okay, we're having some trouble opening this. Oh, oops, you got a little sneak peek. Yes, it is from Sephora. What?
Be patient, folks. Be patient.
Oh. Okay. So here's the first thing. It's not over after this. Now I'm pretty sure this is an like the beauty gurus. I'm pretty sure this is an eye pencil. I just got some.
Oh, it's eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
Nice.
It's very beautiful. It's so amazing. Okay, now here is the best part. Oh, I'm so excited. It doesn't want to come out. It's like, I actually can't get it out. Oh.
And this is Gabby's. No one else.
Yes, not Christina's, not my mom's. It's mine. I mean, they can use it, but they have to. It has to go in my bathroom at the end of the day. I'm not going in their toy box. No, it's going in my bathroom. Okay, I got it out. Just by this hint, can you tell what it is? Kiss, kiss, bang, bang.
Woo!
Okay, ready? Ooh, it's like satisfying.